All right, welcome back to LearnWire. I haven't been putting out 2 videos a day. I haven't done that since last month in May, but I wanted to get this quick, short video update out to you guys because I'm currently running a special with Andy Black on TubeSerp. This is the last day that you'll have a chance to pick up the lifetime deal for a 5 software bundle for one price. Normally, the software is you have to pay monthly for all the different softwares depending on what you buy, but this is the last day. It's going away at midnight tonight. So you want to go and check it out. And I want to just show you, and let me go show you the price real quick. So it's $137, but you get 5 softwares. This is closing today. But you'll see over here on the channel that I put out the TubeSerp review on, I believe it was Tuesday. So we have that right over here. And then I did a little bit more. And if you watch these videos, you'll understand what's going on this week, because I actually use the software to, right over here, I used the software to completely SEO optimize Link Whisperer review. So we're going to go check out where this actually falls. Is it ranking? And this is a competitive keyword right here. There's Link Whisperer has been out for years. It is a software that most bloggers, and especially niche website bloggers that have YouTube channels, have definitely covered Link Whisperer a time or two on their channels. So there are hundreds of videos created on Link Whisperer, a lot of reviews and so forth. So we'll go check this out where I rank using TubeSerp, right? So this is kind of a case study update. And then I also, in one of these videos, I believe it was this video right here, how to rank any YouTube video number 1, what I did was I actually I show you the difficulty level right there. You can see of the keyword best AI software for blogging. And I went ahead, and if you watch this video, that's where I got and optimized and the idea and so forth to do this video here. And that's kind of what led me to actually create this video over here. So I did optimize this fully with TubeSerp. So you kind of have 2 case studies going on this week. I want to go and check out these 2 videos where they're ranking. So what I'll do is I'll just right click and we'll go into an incognito window right over here. You can also see that I practice what I preach, and I am using the tools that I promote to you guys. And the ones that I push the hardest, like Agility and ZimWriter and Koala, those are the ones that I'm actually using in my business right now the most. And you can see right here, I'm writing 200 articles, I believe. This has been running since yesterday. And we are closing in on 22 articles left on this segment right here. So I'm sending over and we're building up. I believe these 200 articles are actually going to be going on the gardening site. I have big things planned for the gardening site. I actually want to get it to 1,000 articles rather quickly. So that's just kind of, if you see that down there on the right side, that is just, and I actually turned that off, but I actually like having the what is it, like the status bar open right there, because then I know if it's still running or if it's stopped running or so forth. So that's why it's on there right there. But let's go and check this out. So a couple things. One, we're going to just search in Google, and I'm going to say Link Whisper review and push enter right here. And then we're going to scroll down, and I know for the last 3 days, this was ranked number 1 in Google. Looks like it's fallen to 3 right now, but it was ranked number 1 for about 2 or 3 days. So it's definitely still on page 1 for Google. It's right there, and it will fluctuate, and it's still in the Google dance mode or the YouTube dance mode, if you will. But I think that it'll come right back up here, and it will end up ranking number 1 solidly. But that is for the Link Whisper review. I'll copy this, and then we'll go in here to YouTube. And remember, we're in an incognito window right here. So I'm going to go paste that in and push enter. Let's see where we're at now. So we are currently ranked number 1. And if you remember or watch any of those videos where I was creating this video, I quickly understood and kind of pinpointed that this person right here, Link Whisperer Review, they only have 300 views, and they published this 9 months ago. And there's so many other videos that should actually be ranking higher and outranking that. But because because they've done something, like I call it a ninja ranking tactic. They've definitely done something because they were solidly ranked number one and no one was even touching them. But I came in this week and did my Link Whisper review and used TubeSerp to optimize, and I've got a number one ranking, and it seems like it's going to stick, and it's just been sitting there for the last 24 hours. Since yesterday, it's really, it kind of settled in the top 5 for the first day or two, but right now it's solidly ranked number one right there. So this is a huge achievement because you can see all these Link Whisperer videos. I mean, there are Link Whisperer review, there are just a ton of Link Whisperer reviews, and a lot of influencers creating content around Link Whisperer. Just goes all over. If you have Carl Broadbent, you have all kinds of niche website builders that run YouTube channels. You've got Link Whisperer all over the place. It's pretty competitive of a keyword, I would say, and we are ranked number one because we use TubeSerp to optimize our title, our description, and our tags right here. So then the other one that we want to go and check real quick is this keyword, best AI software for blogging. And that's going to be pretty competitive as well. I would say that this is going to be more competitive. The best AI software for blogging. It's just, AI software and blogging, those are just going to be some really competitive words to go after. Let's go see where we fall. Best AI software for blogging. All right, so best AI software for blogging. People are typing it in because it's Google autocomplete is completing it for us. We're going to come through and see if we have any rankings. And so on Google rankings, we're ranked number one. Like I said, this is where my Link Whisperer was for a while too, but it still is ranked number on the first page of Google. But this is cool. I don't think that the Google traffic like this brings in that much traffic. I do think that most of the traffic is going to come from YouTube, from the browse, from the home section, from suggested videos, and then also from search. But we are right there. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And then we'll go into the YouTube right here and paste that in. And let's see where we're at. So that's an ad, so skip that one. So we're 1, 2, 3 at the time of looking at this. We're ranked number 3. We've got Adam Onfroy has 2 videos ranked up there, lots of views, but we're doing pretty good when you start looking at all the different videos. This is obviously a video and keyword that Adam is kind of sticking to and making a lot of content around. But we definitely are getting into this keyword. And like I said, I'm competing with channels that have 150,000 subscribers and 23,000 views, 17,000 views. I have a small channel and we were able to outrank. We did optimize exactly for that keyword. And so I would think that this should end up ranking number one because I don't think that anyone else is actually optimized for this particular keyword phrase. But that's not all that goes into the ranking algorithm, right? It's still going to do a mix of what the user intent and what video is going to answer that search query. And these videos still have more power. But to grab a top 3 spot using TubeSerp, not using any other methods, and to be able to use a small channel to come in here and compete with channels that have 150,000 subscribers. And this is going to be, these are keywords that are they're ranking for the search term, and that's going to bring steady evergreen traffic to my channel. So just wanted to share the case study with you that the tool works. And if you want to go pick up TubeSerp, this is your last opportunity today to go and pick this lifetime deal up. You can, of course, pick his tool up, Andy Black's tool, anytime, but you would be paying monthly. I'm not sure, but the TubeSerp, just the entry level software might be LTD always, but all the add-ons, and there's 5 softwares. So 4 of the softwares are going to be monthly paid subscriptions if you were to get all those after today. But if you get the plan today, the offer that I have right here is only for LearnWire viewers. you're going to get all 5 softwares for one price and never have to pay monthly. So it is a pretty unique special offer. Just wanted to get one last video out there and just give you guys one last opportunity to check it out. I did put together 2 case studies using TubeSerp and showed you the insane rankings that they are bringing me. If you used the combination of TubeSerp along with other softwares, TubeSerp is not a replacement for vidIQ or anything like that. I'm not making that claim, but TubeSerp does do something unique that I don't think vidIQ does, is that it is very, very good at on-page optimization. I think it brings in better tags than vidIQ suggests. It doesn't have any bugginess to it when it, like vidIQ actually has more bugs. I could even make a video and show you the frustrations of vidIQ on some of the things. vidIQ definitely doesn't work well for optimizing your on-page SEO, and that's exactly what TubeSerp does. And so I think that they can be used in conjunction with each other, and I do that. I think that vidIQ is still a powerhouse keyword research tool for YouTube, but TubeSerp is not a keyword research tool, but it does everything else that you need it to do, which is the on-page SEO to get your video actually ranked. So hopefully these rankings kind of show you what is possible using TubeSerp. You can go and watch these videos that I put out if you want to learn more about that. Also, there'll be a link in the description. You want to get it. It's June 30th right now. I'm putting out this extra video just so you guys are aware. And then I wanted to show you these killer case study results with video. So again, last chance, pick up it. The link is below for the LTD exclusive deal. I'll see you guys in the next video.